Good morning, students. Welcome you again in your accountancy class. In our last class, we have discussed two accounting principles given by GAAP, that is dual aspect concept and revenue realization concept. And today we will going to discuss about the historical concept, which is also known as cost concept, next matching concept and object evidence concept. We'll discuss the first concept, that is the matching concept. Clear? Matching concept, this concept assumes that we have to match. Ki match kori? Revenue and expenses to earn that revenue. What this assumption says that we have to match the expenses which are incurred to earn the revenue so that we can able to calculate the net income. Net income. Ki koise ama? What is expenses? Expenses are the regular outflow of money. Clear? Expenses means outflow, regular outflow of money. So we have to match these expenses. These expenses are done willingly by the business organization. Ami expenses book kele koru, willingly kele koru, so that we can earn some benefit. What type of benefit we earn? We earn revenue. By incurring these expenses, we can able to earn the revenue. Revenue means inflow of money. Inflow of money. Clear? So what we have to do as per matching concept? As per matching concept, we have to compare the revenue and expenses, so that compare means we have to deduct the expenses out of revenue so that we can able to calculate the net income. Ki koise je ami ki koribo lagibo amar jiman expenses hoise expenses bur kunbur salary hawk, rent, commission, discount, these are known as expenses. A expenses bur ami ki koribo lagibo ami expenses bur compare koribo lagibo kar logot? Revenue logot. Revenue means inflow of money by sale of goods, by receiving some commission, discount, rent receipt, interest receipt. These are the revenue. In a particular accounting year, kuntu year particular year, particular accounting year, ami ki korim? Particular accounting year expenses aru revenue ami compare korim. If revenues are higher than the expenses, we will get the net income, and if expenses are higher than the revenue, then we will get net loss. Clear? Etia kuntu year lobo lagibo ami jodi revenue 2020 loisu ami expenses kuntu year lobo lagibo 2020, only related to 2020 as per matching concept. That means matching concept, what matching concept used? This matching concept is used to calculate the net income or net loss, and for these purposes this matching principles assumes that we have to ki koribo lagibo, we have to match our expenses with the revenue for a one accounting year, particular accounting year. Ami jodi 2020 inflows bur loisu to ami outflow korlom 2020 re lom. Clear? 2020 inflow aru outflow of money kori pine ami revenue kundu source pa paisa ahil kiman ahile dhori loisu amar inflows asile 22,000 rupees in a year, aru outflows asile mane expenses asile amar 1500, the difference 500 is our net profit. And this equation is displayed, this equation is shown in our profit and loss account, which is prepared at the end of the year. আমি বছৰৰ শেষত যিখন end statement বনাও profit and loss account, তাত আমি এটুৱে show কৰিম। কি show কৰিম? Revenue. Revenue মানে আমাৰ regular earnings. Regular earning কৰ পৰা হ'ব পাৰে? Sale of goods, by rent received, commission received, discount received, bankot paisa thoisa, interest received. These are our revenues. Expenses kunbor regular outflows of money. For example, salary, rent, commission, wages paid, electricity bill paid, telephone bill paid. These are our expenses. And when we compare our revenue and expenses, we will get net income or net loss. But it should be noted that this should be the amount of revenue or expenses should have to be upon a particular accounting year. Same accounting year or hobo lagibo. Clear? বুজি পাইছা? আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? ৰেভিনিউ একটা ইয়াৰৰ ল'ব লাগিব, এক্সপেন্সেছৰ একটা ইয়াৰ ল'ব লাগিব, আৰু কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিলে যেটো ওলাব হেতু আমাৰ নেট প্ৰফিট বা নেট লছ হ'ব। ঠিক আছে? তে এই অ্যাজাম্পশনটো ক'ত ইউজ হয়? This assumption is used at the time of preparing profit and loss account at the end of the year. At the end of the year আমি যিখন profit and loss account বনাম সেইখন বনাবলৈ আমি এই ফৰ্মুলাটোৱে ইউটিলাইজ কৰিম, revenue minus expenses। এই ফৰ্মুলাটো ইউটিলাইজ কৰিম। ক্লিয়াৰ? বুজি পালা মেথিং কনসেপ্টত কি ক'লে? মেথিং কনসেপ্টত আমাক ৰেভিনিউ আৰু এক্সপেন্সেছ কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিব ক'লে, so that we can able to calculate the net income or net loss. Clear? So these are the notes related to matching principles, which assume that we should have to match the expenses with the revenue so that we can calculate the net income of a one accounting period. Discussed today is the cost concept. Cost concept. This cost concept is also known as historical concept. Cost concept is also known কি বুলি জানে? historical concept. তাত দুবাৰ লিখা আছে আমাৰ তাত, কিন্তু দুটা একেটাই হয়। cost concept আৰু historical concept একেটাই। ঠিক আছে? So what is cost concept? Cost concept assumes that in accounts, in books of accounts, য'ত আমি record কৰোঁ, in books of accounts we should have to record all the assets. All the assets. Assets means valuable properties. All the assets at their cost price. Cost price. Cost price means purchase price. Purchase price. Clear? cost concept te ki koise? Cost concept mane historical cost concept to koa hoy cost concept to. Cost concept te koise whenever we record the assets in the books of accounts, purchase of assets. ঠিক আছে? আমি assets এটা কিনিলো, আমি assets টো কি দেখাম? books of accounts ত record কৰিম, আৰু যেতিয়া assets ৰ value books ত record কৰিম, we have to record it at a cost price. ঠিক আছে? ধৰি লৈছো আমাৰ বিজনেছত আমি এটা property কিনিছিলো 15 years আগতে। 15 years আগতে যেটো property কিনিছিলো, its value is rupees, যেতিয়া কিনিছিলো তেতিয়া তাৰ value আসলে 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh। ঠিক আছে? 15 years before 15 years after 2005 ত কিনিছিলো, এটা 2020 ত ইয়াৰ value হৈ গল ধৰা 5 lakhs or জাগাত হৈ গল 10 lakhs, ইয়াৰ value হৈ গল, market value হৈ গল 10 lakhs, same property value increase হৈ থাকে, so ইয়াৰ value কিমান হৈ গল 10 lakhs, but in books of accounts we have to record 1 lakhs irrespective of any cases. Market of z value নহক আমি কি লিখিব লাগিব, value to কিমান লিখিব লাগিব 1 lakhs rupees. We will ignore the market price. Market at কি value আছে আমাৰ, আমি কি কৰিম cost concept ignore কৰিম। কেলে? cost concept follow the concept of going concern concept. Cost concept এ কোনটো concept ক follow কৰে? going concern concept. going concern concept আমি আগতে পঢ়িছিলো। going concern concept এ কি কৈছিলে যে our business will be continued for indefinite period of time. We will not sell our business in a short period of time. আমি আমাৰ business টো এতিয়া বিক্ৰী নকৰো, আমাৰ business টো বহুত দিন চলিব। কোনে কৈছিলে? going concern concept. যদি আমি assume কৰো যে our business will be continued for long period, then what is the reason to record that market price? ঠিক আছে? আমি market price record কৰাৰ কি কথা আছে? আমি যদি আমাৰ property-টো বিকিম কৰিম বুলি ভবাই নাই, তেতিয়া হলে আমি কিহত record কৰিব লাগে? cost price-ত। That's why in case of cost price we assume that we follow the concept that all the assets should be recorded in the books of accounts at their cost price, that is the purchase price, because our assumption is based on that our business will be continued for long period and we will not sell any of our assets in a short period of time. That's why we follow the concept of purchase price irrespective of market price. Market of G price na hok kom hok besi hok ami kuntu price dekham cost concept. Clear? A concept to aru bohu kebato conceptor visibility ba objectivity to follow kore. Aru yat ami cost price dekha loge loge yar amar ki thake proper documentary evidence. So ki yar manipulation kom hoy. Recording or manipulation ki hobo kom hobo. Karon cost price jodi ami likhu yar ki thakibo proper document thakibo or proper document thokala loge loge ki hobo ami manipulation koribo noaro. Kintu ami jodi cost price jakan market price likhu ami market price or value karone proper document abi bisari na pao karon ami to property to bika nai bikile he documents palu heten to ami bina document ot ami ki likhibo laibo. In the absence of document we have to record the assets. And in that situation, manipulation can be occurred. Clear? Buzi palane? So cost concept e ki koy? Simple kotha, cost concept e atai koy yak historical cost. Tamane agor cost likho. Agor cost mane kuntu cost? Cost that means the purchase price. E ki koise in the books of accounts ot ami ki korim? Ki bostu bur? Assets bur. Assets means all valuable properties should have to be recorded at cost price. Cost price mane purchase price. Clear? Kintu iki ignore kore, it ignore the market value. So whatever the value it records, it shows only historical values. Clear? Zi record ne dekhabo amar accounts ot kintu jibu record dekhabo sob ki dekhabo purona data dekhabo karon ami purona kotha he likhisu. Clear? Cost concept to buzi pala?
So these are the notes related to cost concept, which is also known as historical cost concept method. This concept assumes that each and every asset should have to record it in the books of account at their cost price, irrespective of any situations.
The third concept that will be discussed today is the object evidence concept. This object evidence concept is also known as objectivity concept. Kisuman bookot tumar eneke thakibo objectivity concept boli thakibo kisumanot thakibo object evidence concept. This concept assumes that whenever we record the transaction in the books of accounts, it should be properly backed by documentary evidence. The transactions which are recorded, transactions means economic activities, these should be recorded in the books of account. These are recorded in the books of accounts, but it should have to be properly backed by or verifiable by documentary evidence. Documentary evidence ki koise object evidence concept ot je ami accounts ot kunbu transaction likhim. Transactions mane economic activities, monetary activities which have proper documentary evidence. Here proper documentary evidence thakibo. Documentary evidence boli kole cash memo dorilwa check ebu documentary evidence ba invoice ami generally transaction ta hole ebu document record koru aru e document thoka transactions bur he books of accounts ot record koribo pari as per object evidence concept. The main objective of this concept is to minimize the accounting biasness, manipulation. Clear? Biasness, manipulation, errors, fraud ebu jodi minimize koribo hoy ami ki koribo laibo, we should have to record the transaction, those transaction which can be properly backed by documentary evidence, which have their proper documentary evidence. Clear? Documentary evidence boli kwa loge loge protitu transaction hoar loge loge ami jodi aji transaction eta sale korisu, seller against ot ki thakibo, cash memo thakibo pare ba check thakibo pare. Jodi credit sale korisu, invoice thakibo pare. Employee salary disu, salary slip thakibo pare. Clear? বুজি পাইছানে তেনেকৈ কি থাকিব লাগিব প্ৰপাৰ ডকুমেণ্ট থাকিব লাগিব আৰু যদি ডকুমেণ্ট নাই তেনেকুৱা ট্ৰানজেকশ্যনছবোৰ দিছ টাইপ অফ ট্ৰানজেকশ্যন আৰ নট এবল টু ৰেকৰ্ড ইন দ্য বুকছ অফ একাউণ্টছ ক্লিয়াৰ বুজি পাইছানে কি কৈছে অবজেক্ট এভিডেন্স কনচেপ্টে যে we will record all the monetary transaction of the business in the books of accounts but it should have proper documentary evidence evidence নাথাকিলে কি কৰিব হে ট্ৰানজেকশ্যনটো ৰেকৰ্ড নকৰিলে কি হ'ব তাত ম্যানিপুলেশন হ'ব এৰৰ হ'ব সেই কাৰণে কি কৰিব লাগে প্ৰতিটো ট্ৰানজেকশ্যন যেতিয়া কন্ডাক্ট হয় লগালগ তাৰ এগেইনষ্টত কি থাকিব লাগে প্ৰপাৰ ডকুমেণ্টাৰী এভিডেন্স বনাব লাগে ক্লিয়াৰ ইয়াৰ কাৰণে কি ইয়াৰ মেইন ৰিজনটো হৈছে to minimize the biasness, to minimize the errors in the recording of transactions. Clear? Buzi pala? Object evidence concept, this is also known as objectivity concept. Under objectivity concept, we will record the transaction in the books of accounts, but this transaction should have proper documentary evidence. Clear? Documentary evidence means the cash memo, check, invoice, debit note, credit note. These are called documentary evidence. Clear? And this recording of transaction by with the help of documentary evidence will reduce the chances of biasness or manipulation in the books of accounts. Clear? Buzi pala?
So these are the notes related to objective evidence concept, which is also known as objectivity concept. This concept assumes that in accounting, only those transactions should be recorded which is backed by proper documentary evidence. So based on today's discussions, you can able to answer the following questions. Number 1, fill in the blanks. A. Recording transaction on the basis of document is based on dash concept. B. All assets are recorded at original cost as per dash concept. C. Expenses needed to be recorded in the period in which the revenue are recognized as per dash concept. Question number 2. Write short notes on matching concept, cost concept and object evidence concept or objectivity concept. These are your classwork also. So submit your classwork on time. So thank you so much students, and if you have any doubt regarding accounting principles, you are free to call me.